is, guys, it's your girl Mirah Gustaní, and I'm back with another YouTube makeup video. So today we're gonna be doing a fun little look. I'm so late on this look, trying to get it done before the end of the month because I haven't been, you know, posting as much as I am supposed to. I'm not, you know, a little big chop, like a little quirky right now, but that won't be for too long. So let's move on with the video. We're gonna keep it going, and you already know how this goes, baby.
After concealing my lids, I'm going to put a white base so that my colors can pop, and then I'm going to set that baby. So we're going to clean off that excess eyeshadow and make it a clean base for our cut crease.
So now we're going to add the third piece of tape, which is going to be the last piece on this side.
Now it's time to prime that face.
I'm using 334. I usually use 330. You guys let me know in the comments if these look different, like the colors look different in the camera. Like, don't they look the same? It's looking a little bit yellow. It's like a little bit too crazy for me.
Blend, 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 blend. If you've been watching me for a minute, you know that I don't conceal my forehead until I contour first. So I had to go back in because that line looks very harsh. I don't understand why my contour looks harsh on camera. I think my background is playing with the lighting. I don't know. But I'm going to fix it. And when I come closer to the camera, you're going to see that I did fix it. But it still looks harsh from afar. that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I love the outcome. Make sure you're commenting, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Make sure you turn on that post notification bell and follow my socials in the description. Later, babies.